Build your own Pastel Stationery kit for under $25. We've rounded up our top Japanese stationery picks that come in pretty pastel colors for you to create your own kit that costs less than $25 at JetPens.com. You can mix and match different tones across items or go for a monochromatic look. Let's jump on in. The Sunstar SmaPop isn't just a pen case, it's also a phone stand. It comes in 6 soft shades. The case opens up into an easy access tray for pens, pencils, and accessories. The adorable Midori color paper notebook features 6 lovely shades inspired by sweet French macarons. The paper inside even matches the color on the cover. With its charming pinstripe accents, the Pentel EnerGel Clena is the perfect pen for this kit. Plus, it uses EnerGel's reliable and fast-drying ink. How cute is this Pilot Fure Corone pencil? It has a cute polka dot design and 6 subtle colors to choose from. Since it's a shaker pencil, you can just shake it to extend the lead. The quintessential pastel highlighter has to be the Zebra Mildliner. With 25 muted colors, you'll definitely find one that matches your stationery kit. The Teranishi Rushon Petite pen has 12 shades in their pastel range. The precise 0.3mm tips are great for notes, and the slim design makes it easy to slip into your pen case. You can use these pastel MT washi tapes to add whimsical accents to planners, phone cases, and more. And the grand total is $24.85. Now that we've introduced each item, here are some example kits to get you started. We picked out all of the pretty and pink inspired items for this blushing rose set that we are low-key obsessed with. Next, we were feeling these mint-flavored stationery items, so we put together a mint to be set that is cool and refreshing. Also, we love understated indigo and violet hues, so sign us up for this ultraviolet kit. And in this peachy set, we're channeling major summer vibes because we are loving the peaches and cream theme. Were we inspired by unicorns when we created this Pastel Dreams set? Maybe just a little. Which set is your favorite? Subscribe to see more videos like this and check out all of these items and more at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching!